Hello, welcome to Python code series. In this video, I am going to discuss question, what will be the output of minus 21 modulus 10? So this is just a numerical calculation. So before, let's understand what is this modulus, this operator. This is actually modulus operator in Python. The function of this operator is to calculate remainder. Calculate remainder. Let's understand this by an example. So 5 modulus 2 is actually, so 5 divided by 2, I will get 1 as a remainder. So this will give 1. Similarly, I can try a different example, 21 modulus 2 or 21 modulus 10. So 21 is divided by 10. So 2 times it is 20 and 1. So I will get 1. So remainder is 1. Okay. Now what about if my number is a negative number? Suppose this is minus 21. So what will be the answer? Remember, 1 will not be the correct answer. So let's see how it will come. So it is minus 21. So we have to look for a number which is less than minus 21 and is a multiple of 10. So the required number is minus 30. Minus 30 is less than minus 21 and is a multiple of 10. So reference is actually minus infinity, that's why it's minus 30. So minus sign, we are subtracting, so we will get 9. So minus 21 modulus 10 is 9. My answer is 9. Okay, you can try different examples like minus 35 modulus 5. You can try this question and you can comment in the video. Thanks.